Thank you for watching Name and Occupation in Depth. We come to you every single week. Now don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the content.
First of all, you cut your flowerette just like this. Okay, break it off like this. Now, then move it away. Then you get your broccoli stalk. Now, don't throw this away. There's many ways to do this. One is cut it into slices, just like this. Down here. Now, the reason why you want to cut it diagonally is to allow greater surface exposed to the heat, and then it will take a very short time, to cook. His name is Frankie.
Oh, Frankie!
It's a flank sticks, a piece of beef.
Walk with Leanne was the vegetables and the stir fries, and just get what you have and just cook, And so I pre-cooked the chicken. I put it aside. I cooked it with some coconut oil. And then what I did after the wok, I started cooking some broccoli. Sorry, I'm looking at my recipe here. It's not a real recipe because I just grabbed stuff that I had. So I put eggplant, some like Chinese eggplant, which is the orangey one. So you got some color. I put about this much of a broccoli. I put some baby bok choy, which is a little bit the greener one. I put some red and orange bell peppers, just the smaller ones. Just cut them in quarters and eighths and small pieces. Stir fried it. I added some frozen peas and frozen corn. Carrots. So it just makes it a little bit easier at the end. I just put in about 3 cups of rice. The whole thing with the wok, you just cook it and mix it. And then it makes it great. I love it because it brings a lot of flavors and taste. I also used a little bit of ginger and garlic. I have a paste that I had purchased, so you can also make it. You grab some ginger, you crush it, and put some garlic, you crush it, and put a little bit of grapeseed oil. Just that way it keeps it nice, keep it in the fridge. So that way you can just grab a spoonful. So that's what it looks like. So that way you kind of have it already mixed and ready to go. And then it brings some flavors. And the ginger is really good for you, for blood circulation, and for your health, right? And for the taste. So I have it ready here. And I bet you in about 5 minutes, my girls are going to be running downstairs and grabbing this plate. Okay? So I'm just going to put that like that. And I like to put a little bit of... I have some small onions, chives, and a little bit of, you could already put a little bit of soya sauce, but I'm going to put a little bit more, just a little bit, just to make it a little bit more moist. And that's what it looks like. And of course, this is just a mixture of everything. It's great. You can use whatever you have at home. Just easy step. Use coconut oil or grapeseed oil for the high smoke, because it burns at a higher temperature, so you less of the bitterness and flavor. And just mix and try little batches, and then you get to enjoy it. And then I like to say is bon appetit.